fashion lovers. Here, we brought you latest dress and designs from Mizo Street Style, all trending products. Mizo traditional dress, which we often term here as Mizo Sunday dress, is becoming popular among the church goers. So, we proudly exposed our collection from various designers and retailers. The dresses showcased here are mostly suitable for church service. You can also wear in other occasion as well. If you wish to buy any of the products, you can visit Mizo Street Style on Instagram. Let me tell you some tips to select the perfect clothes for your body shape. You try on a dress that looked beautiful in the store window, but feel that it looks awful on you. Does this sound familiar? Well, it doesn't mean there's something wrong with your body. You simply don't dress according to your body shape. But don't worry, the following tips will help you. Wear clothes that draw attention away from your midsection and waist. V-neck empire waist dresses and tops, wrap dresses and A-line dresses will do wonders for you. Choose tops that cover the entire belly area and extend just below your hips. 1. Avoid double-breasted jackets, bulky tops and clingy silhouettes. Go for layer tops, ruche tops and tunics. 2. Avoid skinny jeans and straight leg pants if you are top heavy. Flared or boot-cut pants with back pockets are the right choice for you. 3. Instead of wearing a belt around the waist, wear it just below your bust. This will create curves and minimize your waist. 4. Avoid tight pants, capri pants, short skirts and pencil skirts. Choose tailored, flared pants and A-line skirts instead. 5. Wear dark, solid colors for your bottom half and lighter, brightly colored tops. 6. Choose underwear that provides good breast support and makes your waist more defined. 7. Wear undergarments that fit correctly. If your bust is large, be sure to use the right kind of bra. Avoid using padded cups or unstructured bras that make your cleavage look droopy. I hope these tips help you to sort out your problem. Stay tuned till the end.